Somebody told me, why? Why is the President Duterte against me? And he said it's because of a woman.
Ito ang ibinunyag ni dating Cebu City Mayor Tomas Osmeña sa pagdinig ng House Quad Committee kahapon. Ang tinutukoy niya si dating PCSO General Manager at Police Colonel Royina Garma na naging hepe ng Cebu PNP. Sa naunang mga pagdinig ng Quadcom, tinukoy si Garma bilang nasa likod ng pagpatay sa 3 Chinese drug lords sa Davao City at umano'y miyembro ng Davao Death Squad. Kasalukuyan siyang nasa kustodiya ng Kamara matapos ma-cite for contempt. Siya rin ang itinuturo ni Osmeña kung bakit siya ginigipit ng nakaraang administrasyon.
The vindictiveness was so strong and the influence of Colonel Garma was so strong, she was able to convince the ombudsman to suspend me for 1 year because I came to the rescue of 3 poor vendors who were being harassed by the police.
Bitbit ni Osmeña ang isang dokumento na nagsasabing tumatanggap umano ng payola si Garma base sa natanggap niyang dokumento mula umano sa PCSO.
While she was Bohol Province has identified Police Sergeant Garma of receiving payola from illegal gambling operations financed in the amount of 1 million pesos every week. That's only in Bohol. What more Cebu?
Ito ang dahilan kung bakit siya na mismo ang nagsumbong sa dating Pangulo. Pero tila malakas raw ito.
While she was still police chief of Cebu, I predicted in the newspaper that she would be made PCSO chief. That shows the reliability of my information. No. So it's not because of politics. It's because of a woman.
Hindi nakadalo si Garma sa pagdinig kahapon dahil masakit ang kaliwang bahagi ng leeg nito at ilalim ng tenga. Sinubukan din naming kunan ng pahayag ang kanyang abogado pero wala pa itong tugon. Para sa Agenda, Zandro Ochona, BNC.